When analysts test a new financial strategy, they start with a baseline assumption. This is called the null hypothesis. Think of the null hypothesis as the status quo. It assumes that any change you see is just random noise, not a real effect. In finance, if we test if a new trading algorithm works, the null hypothesis claims the algorithm has zero impact on returns. We treat the null hypothesis as the default. We only reject it if the data shows a result so extreme it is unlikely to be random. To understand any scientific discovery, you first have to prove that your results are not just a total fluke. When the probability of our result happening by chance is very low, usually under 5%, we reject the null and accept the alternative. Always remember that failing to reject the null doesn't prove it's true, it just means our data wasn't strong enough to disprove it. Understanding the null hypothesis helps you separate signal from noise in financial data. Like and subscribe for more basics.